Darkness here, and welcome back to the Palace God. In this video,
We're
can
playing
probably
Zombie
tell,
Rush, as you can
we're
tell, we're
playing
getting bombarded.
Zombie Rush. Yeah, and these people are chasing after me. Why would you bring all the way over here? I can't record. Stop my intro.
Ow! There's a phantom on me. Asshole.
Guys, you guys are new, and also join the group and Discord in the link of the description.
And everything else.
Yeah, everything else is profile, all is down below. And yeah, wow, these guys are not coming after me.
Well, there's no like protecting us. Even though I don't know where the hell he is. Flex on y'all kids. Let's go find the no-life, shall we? Let's show him how big of a no-life he is.
He has a blow dryer.
Eggs geek.
It is, look at him. Blow dryer.
I don't know where he is. I don't know why I ran up here.
He's over here.
I just saw a new guy, that's for sure.
Ow!
I'm gonna change the weapon, but protect me.
Don't let stuff.
Protect me, handgun. What level am I now? 547. Oh shit, I need 550. XG.
He's not
A
550.
super distributor. Can you try that out for me, Panda? Tell me if it's any good.
Yeah, when these dumb diamonds are not after me.
True.
And Phantom doesn't do it.
Good. Where's the no life at? I wanna see. I wanna see his blow dryer. Oh, hi. Nice blow dryer.
You legit got blow dryer, right?
It legit is. No lies, guys.
It's 1,000 too, don't worry. I cannot switch that weapon if someone keeps on following me.
I got you.
Huh?
Where are you?
Like, okay, got it.
Like, where are you?
Where is it?
550.
The super descriptor?
Uh-huh, something called around there. Yeah, I think it's yeah. Tell me if it's any good, Panda.
Yeah, when I load it. When the new wave comes.
Oh my god, he's literally using a blow dryer. No lie.
It literally blow dries 1,000, bro. Oh my god, bloody hell.
What?
I'm so damn, I'm so fancy.
Is it anything good?
I'm so fancy. You already know.
There's too much noobs up here. I'm heading down.
Oh my god, it's so bad. So good, so big. It's decent though. It's like 2 shots.
Oh, not that bad.
But it's too slow. Ow!
Need some help, younger Panda?
Yeah, if you trash that gun.
Here.
This gun is okay, just like shoots hella slow.
Bitch, get off my Panda! Get off of my Panda! What do you guys not get, you dumb noobs?
It just shoots hella freaking slow.
Hey, bitches. No hitting my Panda boy. Panda boy's for me to hit.
It just shoots hella slow.
Get off of me! Come, Skelly.
Let me switch my weapon back again.
Go ahead. Oh shit! Big guy spawned on you. Ow! Get off of me! Elephant is for
I want my
Panda.
other weapon. Only weapon trash.
I'm gonna switch weapons too. This weapon hella trash.
How you get stuck outside?
Huh?
How you get stuck outside?
Oh.
This guy right here. You don't see him?
Oh hell yeah, I like this weapon. Hell yeah, you shoot hella fast.
Yeah, with this weapon, yeah. Not the stupid dumb, whatever that dumb super distributor.
Wanna kill him? Let's try to kill him.
I took damage.
From behind.
He's always half dead.
Lucky. Let me switch weapons real quick. Again.
This is a baseball bat.
Bitch! Get off of me, asshole. Ow! Phantom! Hanga, help me!
I'm having like
I'm in red!
I'm dealing with this then. Blow dryers there, that's
Well, Fryer better save me. Guess what? Blow dryer. Hello, I see a blow dryer. Right here. Eating ass.
Your blow dryer is actually pretty good, don't doubt that.
I know it's good, but then, like, I ain't gonna know, like, that badly for it.
I'm only halfway there. Like, you're already halfway there.
Ow! Stop eating me alive! I'm not for you to eat alive, you bitch! Yay, 550. I'm gonna use the weapon. See if it's any good.
Right. It just like, it shoots hella slow.
I know, but if it does it's good damage, it's kind of...
It's good, it does good damage. It shoots hella
It's better than the weapon I'm using right now, probably. Get off of me, you gum bitch! Why you even choose this map? I hate this map. Ah, why you guys sneaking up behind me? Bitch.
Yeah, come after me. Come after Canada, yeah. Oh, I'm so dead!
hop out of that mess.
My god
Okay.
damn, bro. Why are you thinking behind me?
I'm good. I got one shot it.
Just how about survivors? I'm gonna sit here.
Time can become a zombie. And go wreck some kid. Bitch! See, that's the spawn area, the blow dryer girl.
Well,
Go kill her. Blow dryer girl, that good spawn area. Hi, bitch. Hi. Where is he? Hi. Hi. How many survivors?
4.
3 now. I got her! Yay! Bitch.
Thanks, Steve.
I still got someone. Go back in! Where's this bitch at? Oh, one, aww. I didn't want this map.
I hate this map, please.
I know, right? I hate this map. I don't get what I ever got because of the blow dryer girl. To be honest.
Yeah, cause no, I know he's a bully guy. He loves a bully, you know.
That's a joke ever to make.
Turn that music off.
Be the way these
Huh?
Turn that freaking music off.
I don't have music on. It's in game.
It's not freaking music on.
It's in game. Turn off your game sound.
God damn it, freaking idiot.
Like, turn off your game sound. It's in game. Oh! Cat Girl's good. Cat Girl's so good.
If I get freaking copyrighted.
Yeah, I know, right? Bitches. Go downstairs. Cat Gum Girl needs some help. Cat Gum Blow Dryer.
Oh, I don't care about that blow dryer.
Free XP while she's kicking a damage. Why not? Why would you not want to do that?
Don't blow dry some music.
It is, right? It's not gum me. It's gum blow dryer. I want to go kill gum blow dryer. That's what. Switch weapons again, bro. Literally, bro. Let's try this weapon. Oh look, frying pan. Like, oh look, frying pan.
Nice wrench.
Literally, go. Nice wrench.
You want my weapon? Here, have that. Yeah, eat that. Eat that. Oh, wrench died. How sad.
Oh look, gun piece of wood. Hannah, piece of wood. Hannah, piece of wood.
Ow! Piece of goddamn wood.
Like Hannah, piece of wood. Hannah, piece of wood. Well, let's hide back here. Hide back here. Hide back here. Aim at the gore. Like aim at the doorway.
Here's your god behind you, Nelson. Jump like a man. Jump like a man.
I chose the wrong gun for a good matchup.
Oh my god, all the cooking is acting up.
No, actually, I chose the right gun.
Okay, hold on, Nelson. 13, remember 13, Nelson, right?
Why
Around
13?
12, 13, because I'm gonna zoom into that stupid idiot with stupid wrench died. Just stupid wrench right here, just stupid wrench, just stupid wrench. Alright?
12, 13, yes.
Yes, somewhere around 12 and 13. We might be at the end of the episode, right?
Huh?
We're me in the end.
Why?
Cause I'm gonna edit her in. Make her
You're gonna
Zoom
edit her.
Zoom and edit her. How she died.
You gum wrench. Look at wrench girl. Wrench girl gonna have good. She's more gonna have good.
Remember zombies, guys? I know you guys love zombies. Hi, Peter
I'm
Pan.
lagging so badly for some
Peter
reason.
Pan died. Nelson, Peter Pan died. Hello? Peter Pan? Peter Pan? Peter Piper? What? Peter Pan? Elephant, you back?
Hmm?
Elephant, you back?
Yeah, I'm joining. Yeah.
I killed Peter Pan.
Hmm?
I killed Peter Pan.
Why are you killing Peter Pan for?
Cause he was holding a pan. AKA Peter Pan. What do you
Lodsky.
not get?
Like
What do
Lodsky.
you not get? What do you not get?
Can you rebirth me?
Ow! Peter Pan!
Can you rebirth me back in?
Yeah, 28. There's a map at the end anyway, so we're not probably not gonna make it.
Oh,
Come on, bro, no. Yeah,
oh
game
wow. He's
over.
promoting everyone.
For what? Queen Final left? Wow, I'm co-leader.
Wow, it's insane.
Ew,
It is,
ugly
right?
outfit.
Everyone got the coal. Yeah, I didn't laugh yet. He
that
just
map?
came
That
on the
map's
second.
boring.
Huh?
That map is boring.
What map is it now, bitch?
Stupid
Ew,
spaceman.
map.
Hate this map.
Hate this map too.
You know I'm camp at nothing? Elephant. You
Elephant.
know I'm camp at elephant?
Well, you know where I'm gonna camp at, Panda?
I'm gonna camp upstairs.
I'm gonna camp with you. Haha. Once I get up here. Like when I get up here.
Ah, you jumped off.
Ha! And you jumped off.
Silver, stop it. Hi.
And fell. Zombies coming up behind you.
You kept bacon it up to the, bacon it with him.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Behind you.
Hi,
Silver
Silver.
guy. Like behind you. Silver guy. Let me change my weapon real quick.
Stop it, Gold. You too normal. Get out.
Look, Gounger, you need some help.
You can't shoot that far. Lol, Ruby jumped off.
Ruby.
You can't shoot that far. You can shoot like down here and like this gold right here.
Not good. I'm somehow hitting it. These guys are trying to jump off. Frying pan, Gounger, frying pan.
Ow, skeleton, why you push me off?
He shoved your butt off.
Push me off. Ah, Ruby, you fell off too. Lol, X, T, X,
Get back up here.
X, T, X, T.
Ah, 2-3-3. I could shoot longer range.
Please, man.
Behind you, Ruby.
Ow, get off.
Normal and Silver just jumped off at the same time. You saw? Oh, you need some help, Younger? Oh, I can't help you, sorry. Wow.
I need some help here, I have some help. Oh my god, what have you been bringing?
What
over
have you
there?
been bringing, sir? Slash Pam?
That's why I don't want to bring all that. That's why I don't want to go down there. Oh, don't bring it up here, please.
Oh, no, please, God, no.
Please, Jesus Christ.
Literally, God. Jesus Christ. We're just aiming. We don't even have to do anything. We don't even have to run. Get ready for the gore. She's gonna bring it up. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Thanks for the
I
XP.
know, right? Guess they're bringing him out too much. Jack just jumped off, you saw. Oh, free XP.
The blow dryer left.
He's been. He left like at least 5 minutes ago.
Let me see.
Hello, girl, jumping off next to us. Thanks for the free XP. Aim at the middle. Yeah.
Ow, Spotify. Get out. I'm trying to shoot me down.
Trying to push you down.
Yeah.
Let me walk.
Can't get up here, Silver.
Let me walk over a little so there's no big fat wall in my face.
Stick that wall in your face.
They can't aim at us. They can't hit us. Haha. Look at that girl.
Good way to camp.
Good way you camp. Look. That's way you camp. Look at that wrench girl. And that could just hit my head.
Ow! Stop pushing
Okay,
me.
I killed him. I killed him before he can push you off. Let me switch weapons real quick. Actually, What do we do? Shrink ray, freeze ray. Purple laser rifle. Let's see if they're any good. Hey, behind us, behind us. Bat, 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 bat. Bat, bat, bat. Bad bat.
That guy needs help. And no, he died. Hi, normal.
Look at Bacon here.
What up, Bacon here? Then camp with us?
What up, Bacon here? I'll allow you to camp with us since you brought nothing to us. Ah, Bacon here. Got something hopped on him. Behind. Come after us, because it's easy farming. Right? They're all standing in one corner. Baconair, you better kill that guy. Baconair, you better not bring him to me. Baconair, you better kill that guy. You better not bring him to me.
I'm gonna kill you.
Yep. Like Baconair, I'll allow you to camp with us, but you better not bring him to me.
Oh, nice wrench.
Got a wrench lady's back alive.
No, it's Marco. Marcella. He's a wrench lady. Too.
Yeah, wrench lady.
He's a wrench
She got
guy,
her.
too, holding up. She's holding a pistol too. Look at the bacon here.
Wrench guy. Skyler guy.
Wrench gang, you know.
He's using a pistol. Woba.
Wrench gang.
Freeze rate. Freeze rate is still the best gun to use. What is your
I can't help you if you bring it all over there, sir. Huh?
What is your setup for your millisecond? 0 or what?
For what?
No, Bacon here. Off my head.
For auto clicker?
Uh-huh.
0.
Bacon here's gonna shove me off. Butt cheeks! Butt
Who's
cheeks
doing
has
that?
Bacon here.
Oh my god, like those jumping hacks you got the zombies.
Butt cheeks has Bacon here. Literally.
He shoved you off.
Yeah. Butt cheeks ass. Hey, bitches. Group up. Let's go. Come on. I'll play all of y'all. Let's go, come on. I'll fight all of y'all. Come on, after me.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, bitches. Oh, you come little back dude wanting to play? Aw.
Oh, Bacon there jump with me. Oh.
Come back dude. Get over here.
wanna
Aw, you jump
tackle
down?
Bacon.
Aw, let's go. I'll chase you. Dead. Bitch ass.
I'll
dude.
make you die. Is he dead?
Yeah. That back dude. Killed him.
Bacon there died. Wrench guy died? Oh, Wrench is dying. Wow. Yes, kill Wrench. Go. Kill Wrench. Go.
You died?
Come on, these squad. No, I'm killing Wrench. Come here, Wrench. Wrench, come over here. No, Wrench, come back here. Wrench.
There's a frying pan. Heads up. Heads up, there's a frying pan.
Good.
Like, heads up, there's a frying
Good. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yo, yeah!
baby.
Get out of here alive!
Baby, I tripped.
We spawned him and killed Jeff Rat. Right?
I was trying to bring Wrench over there, but he walked across there and I bring that whole
You
squad.
bring a whole squad in and he does all guy instantly. Or like, is running.
I don't think they died. Like, they all ran.
Skills.
I planned that, bro.
You planned after. Oh look, there's a wrench lady again. Here's another wrench.
Good. I love wrenches. Cause they need to fix some tools. Cause they fix these eyeballs they have in zombies, bro.
Look at wrench lady. She's just whacking in the middle. Watch wrench lady. Wrench lady's running for her life.
Oh wow.
Look at them. They have a whole squad on them. Execute.
Do you want to see me edit this video?
Oh yeah.
Yes, so hilarious.
Oh look at wrench lady. Hey bitches, come after me. I ain't scared. Come on, keep on coming. Keep on bringing them. Free XP. Right? You need some help, ma'am? You need some help, French lady?
Like my walking skills? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Skylar's AFK as fuck.
Roman scammer.
Oh look! Oh, Alex boy joined!
Alex! You're famous!
Hey, can you defend me real quick? So I can call him.
Go.
Oi, Foxy. No, that's Skylar guy. I want a Skylar good guy. She's just sitting there AFK. She ain't getting no free XP.
Squad, come with me.
Oh,
Bacon,
Bacon
almost
here!
there.
No!
Bacon, I need you to die.
Hey, watch out. Alex has the bat. Alex has the bat. Alex has the bat. He's chasing me.
Good.
Killed him.
Good. You're not gonna kill me.
You chasing me with a hammer, asshole. Oh!
No.
Freak! Don't chase me with a hammer, little Alex boy. I know
Hey,
it's
don't
you.
do
I
that.
saw your little name tag. Butt cheeks. Oh look, little Alex boy is here. Oh no! Run! Run, Alex, run!
You told him he's famous? Huh?
Huh?
You told me he's famous?
Come up here real quick so I can call him. Defend me.
Why are you here? That gun is trash.
Troll him. Straight up troll him. Okay, like the little kid. Look at Alex, he needs some help.
Where's Alex?
Playing jumping, some of a zombie chasing him.
Oh, there he is.
Save Alex boy! Go kill my Alex boy! Alex boy is
Don't kill my Foxy, my Ninja Foxy.
Foxy is not able to die. I will take the
No,
damage
get out
for
here,
you, Foxy.
go. Foxy will never die. Yes, go, let's go, kill them all. Back up, Foxy.
Foxy, you're not dying.
No, you're not dying. Foxy, move. You better move. You better move.
I don't have to move, cause I'm a savage.
I don't need to move too. I shoot really fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very
You
fast.
shoot
Very
faster
fast.
than Foxy, that's for sure.
Very
He's not
fast. Very
stable.
fast.
He's want to die.
Very fast. Very
Oh
fast.
shit! Save Foxy! Save Foxy! Foxy needs help.
I got Foxy. I'm right behind Foxy.
I'm right behind you.
Bacon here.
I'm right
Bacon
behind
here.
you. You're right behind a bacon here.
Bacon here.
Foxy,
Bacon
no! You went on a suicide mission.
here. Suicide mission.
Literally. No killing my Alex boy. Alex is a good boy. Not like you come skeleton.
Not like you, like the renters.
Hey, gun guy you don't have. That's for sure.
Who are you talking to?
Both of us.
Mine's a mystery gun that you cannot buy.
He could. He has like 1,000 Robux.
Wow, more than me, congrats.
Oh my god, Foxy, run!
I'll kill all of them.
I'll kill all of them. Like, guy doesn't want Foxy to die. Oh, wah wah wah. Foxy, don't die on me. I believe in you. Oh shit, Foxy needs help. Foxy needs help.
Get out, Foxy.
I stood in front of every single one of them just to take damage for Foxy. Foxy, no!
Foxy, no.
No Foxy,
Foxy,
for you.
No, no, Foxy, no. Stop
No
coming.
Foxy
No.
for you. Foxy
No.
is for me.
No, stop coming with Fox. I'm coming to Foxy.
You come for your elephant. Don't come for Foxy or Panga.
Nothing type. I got you. Type.
You got
Type.
it. You got it.
Type.
Ah, that's
Type.
good.
Type.
Good. I got it.
Type.
Good. Hurry.
Type. Go. Type. Type.
That girl's like a guy. Execute. Oh my god, girl. Don't bring so much shit to my Foxy. Hello. Get all respawned on them. Behind you, Anna. Behind you and in front of you.
I know. I was just trying to do something. I got jump.
You got jumped. Literally jumped. Foxy needs help. Foxy needs help.
Where's Foxy?
I don't even know. I lost sight of him. Guys, what I'm saying. Foxy needs help.
Oh, I see him. He's okay.
I'm not okay. Elephant is not okay. Elephant has like 10 million gings on him.
I'm not dying, Foxy. Hi, Foxy.
Defend me. I need to switch guns.
Go.
I need a faster gun. Got you. I just need a new ging now. Behind Foxy.
I'm being Fox right now. As best as I can, you know. Fox has a gold on him. wrecking Fox right now?
No, wrecking my Foxy, bitches! I don't care how many shit is following me, I'm gonna defend my Foxy. Right? Hey, frying pan, frying pan, frying pan, frying pan, or knife.
Ain't no frying pan.
Like something. Something around that. I don't care! Savage. Hey, no chasing my Foxy! What can you not get? Hey, no diamonds! Foxy don't like diamonds or silver. They think they're ugly. All he likes is pandas and elephants. Ah! I'm getting gangbanged!
Fox can chill up. Fox can chill up there.
Foxy's chilling out.
Oh, Fox, you better move.
Foxy, you better move. Foxy, you better move. Oh, bacon here, no.
No, bad bacon there.
You got the bad bacon here. You're not a good bacon here.
Not anymore.
What is gun is Foxy using?
A really okay, like, okay gun. No, that gun.
Oh, no, Panda. Bad Panda.
What?
You jumped into a gangbang.
I don't care.
Hey, get off of me! You gum diamonds.
Oh my god, it's getting very laggy.
Yeah, I know, right? Getting very laggy. Switch guns again. Cause I'm a savage.
Got you.
Got it. I just need to wait for a new man.
I just need to, like, probably put, like, different
Bad
ways
no
in.
Skinner. Bad bacon here. It got me killed. I
You
ain't
died?
doing that. Yeah. Bad bacon here. Bacon here dragged everything on me. Hey, Panda, this is me! Panda!
Oh. Run out your thumb sword everywhere there. I don't know if you guys see someone spray, okay?
Alex is gonna kill me with a damn sword out. Cause he's a
I
bad
know I heard and all, but like you have to like show me who you are. Not pull your damn sword if I you did. You
man,
know,
I'm
bro.
behind you. Don't hit me.
Well, you better not chase after me.
Aw,
I'm spraying
yay,
right now.
thanks.
I'm chasing right now. Who see people after me? I'm so scared. You better kill everyone at 41 seconds, Nelson.
I got, you respawned us.
I did.
Yeah, you respawned us.
Am I that good?
Ow, get off
That's a
me!
personal question. Do you want me to report you?
You say it.
I can't type it when these zombies are chasing after me. And where did all you guys go? I see you. Where's Foxy?
I don't know, where is Foxy? Foxy died, I think. I see Foxy. He's upstairs. He needs help. I'm gonna run into a gangbang for the lols of it. XD. Oh, nice. Nice cleanup crew, Foxy. Oh, damn, that guy went flying.
Hi.
I was standing in the middle. Eggsky. No,
Oh
Foxy!
no.
The guy's a bad Foxy. Blah, 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 blah. I'll keep shooting my gun. Just to mess you guys up. Ow! You gum obsidian! You gum little piece of shit! Get off of me! Man, eat shit! Lol. Like, eat shit! Hey, you're trying to sneak up on me? Bitch, you dead. Foxy died somehow. At first. And then you revived him.
Of course.
Foxy's gonna die again! Foxy wants to be a zombie. Ow, trapped me in this corner.
I wanna be a zombie.
Hmm?
I wanna be a zombie.
I wanna be a zombie and resurrect everyone.
I know how you be a zombie. Get XP too. Use a melee weapon. You die hella fast.
Hello.
Dead.
Melee of you! I don't give a damn. I wanna die! Melee!
Melee for the win.
Died instantly. Died instantly in like 5 seconds. Aw, Foxy died over us. Band hammer. Buy a band hammer. Who's alive? Oh.
All died?
Let's go for farm. It looks more open. No! Asshole.
Why that for? Why that is ugly?
Loud.
I'm going out.
Probably not. Most likely not. Hey, call Alex is standing in this corner with us. He got hella shit. I trolled Alex so hard. Akitas ain't allowed but Supreme is. Exegete.
You're not wearing Supreme.
Yeah, no, but I was like, Akitas ain't allowed but Supreme is. He's like,
YouTube allowed.
mm.
YouTube allowed.
Huh?
YouTube allowed.
Yeah, no. Akitas ain't allowed, but we're not sponsored.
We're never sponsored.
Akita's gonna sponsor us. Foxy needs help! Get off my damn Foxy, you gum bit!
Get off my damn fox, my ninja foxy, bro.
Yeah, get off of my ninja.
Fox.
He's losing his ninja skills because of you guys. Run for your life! Execute. Asshole. Foxy's always using a damn sword. That's how he's always guys.
Yank, that's my sword. I know you do. Yank.
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 When is Foxy gonna respond to me? Hello. I'm going downstairs where all the zombies are.
Yank, 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 yank. This one's actually pretty good. Yank, yank.
Oh! Baby, it's a triple. Come downstairs, I need help.
You sure?
Badly. Badly. Come downstairs. Foxy needs help too.
Okay. You need the pro to come down with you?
No, like, badly.
You need
You
the
see
pro?
you see how much bodies there are stuck in the
Yes.
ground?
Easy.
Execute. Kill
Easy.
Huggy's stuck, guys.
Stop, come from behind me.
Here we go, all good.
Oh, you have the Mars Blaster. How nice. You bought some knives now, Onyx?
Kakin fell down on his face. Let's follow Foxy. He has the best mind out of all of us. But he's still a kid.
Okay.
Foxy has the best mind out of all of us because he's still a kid.
Oh
Oh
my
my god, baby!
god, you guys really need help. What happened up here?
He can't handle it himself. Got what?
What happened up here?
Got zombie Blue Atlanta right next to you. I hate this map. Time to kill everyone.
Same time with melee.
Time to just... A freak! I pressed the wrong one. I pressed leave instead of reset.
Lol.
Thank you. Your BY rejoin. Thanks, you. Foxy.
What?
Foxy hasn't responded to me yet. Well, time to kill Foxy. Where's Foxy at? Don't kill me, okay, Panga?
I'm a zombie too, XD.
XD.
No, I killed 2 people, XD.
Killed one. 2 left. One is Foxy. I can see. I see Foxy. Time to die. Foxy's over here. No! Reset. I want to kill everyone.
Yeah, die. Die. Die.
Hey, guy.
I killed 2 people already, XD. You killed 3, Nelson? XD.
I killed 2. Time for Foxy. Foxy's
Foxy,
half dead.
die.
Foxy's half dead. I got 1 shot on him.
Fine. Yeah, Foxy's dead. Hi. Respawn. Time to kill the last cup too. Oh, I see you. Hi.
1 more.
Die. Hate that map. I hate that map. I hate that map. I want this map. No, this map. No, this map. No, yeah, this map. Yeah, this map. Yeah. Should we end up episode now, Sam?
I don't know if you want.
Yeah, tell Fox to come over here. There's anyone who's baking you. Oh, you guys enjoy this video? That's fine. Oh my god. Ow! Skeleton. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, Panic Squad.
Let's see if
Be
Alex
sure
has anything to say.
to subscribe if you guys are new to the channel in the description. Join us Discord group. And also join oh my god. Join the Discord group. It's also in the link in the description. That code never expires, so just join that code. Also join the group if you guys haven't already.
Foxy has something to say.
Go right ahead, Foxy. His chat's already on. Go right ahead, Foxy. I'm assuming for
He said no and yes. He said both. I was like, oh yeah? Yes and no. He's like, both.
Make sure to ring the bell for all. Oh. Ow.
Bitch, get off of my panga. Look, Ruby.
Yeah, make sure to basically hit that bell. You guys are also like, and like, you guys also like, make sure it's all actually on, not like, just ring that bell should be on. If not, then there's no like stacked on the top of it. So yeah. What? Anything else you say?
No.
Huh?
No.
You sure? Anything else?
Nothing else.
You sure? So are you sure? Okay.
Busy fighting. Okay, that's it. He ain't answering.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed Red Power Squad. I'll see you guys next when I next level 2. Bye.